అవ్వట్లేనట్ట లేకపోతే
వీడియో
మరి రేపు
రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది కానీ ఫోటో అవుతుంది.
ఫోటో ఇప్పుడు అవుతుంది కదా, ఇప్పుడు మామూలుగా అవుతుంది ఫోటో ఒకళ్ళు ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తాము ఇప్పుడు.
వీళ్ళందరూ అక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు కదండి, మెడికల్ కాలేజ్కి వెళ్తున్నారు కదా వీళ్ళందరూ టెంపుల్ వాళ్ళే.
University cordially invite you to the international seminar on BRICS and the new global architecture, sponsored by Export-Import Bank of India, Mumbai. Brazil, Russia, India. Dr. MBBS Murthy to grace the dais. Sir, please. May I now invite the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Geetham University, Professor G. Subramaniam, to grace the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now invite the Dean and Director of Geetham School of International Business, Geetham University, Professor V.K. Kumar, to grace the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now invite Mr. H. Vishwanathan, former Ambassador and Distinguished Fellow, Center for International Research Relations, Observer Researcher Foundation, New Delhi, to grace the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now invite Mr. Chen Neo, the Deputy Minister Council, Embassy of People's Republic of China in the Republic of India, New Delhi, to grace the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now invite Mr. Sridharan Sachidanandan Pillai, First Secretary, Political, High Commission of South Africa, Republic of South Africa, to grace the dais. It's my privilege to invite Mr. Anil Das Gupta. Thank you, sir. It's my privilege to invite Mr. Prahaladan Iyer, the Chief General Manager, Export-Import Bank of India, Mumbai, to grace the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now invite Mr. Sri Rajendran, IRS, Commissioner of Customs and Central Excise, to grace the dais. Thank you, sir. May I now invite Dr. J. M. Kishore, IRS, Assistant Commissioner of Customs and Central Excise, to grace the dais.
Yeah, that's right. J.M. Kishore, IRS Assistant Commissioner of Customs and Central Excise. Mr. C. Rajendran, IRS Commissioner of Customs and Central Excise. Honorable President of Gator University, Dr. M.V.S. Murthy. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gator University, Professor G. Subramanian. Distinguished invited speakers, distinguished invitees, participants of this seminar, press and media, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On my own behalf and on behalf of Gatham School of International Business, Gatham University, I take pleasure in welcoming all of you to this one-day international seminar on BRICS, shaping the new global architecture. The idea for organizing series of international seminars and conferences has come from the desire of the Honorable President Dr. M.V.S. Murthy that Gatham School of International Business shall act as a national think tank in international business and contribute to policy making of the nation. That's his desire. The school always stands up to make his desire a reality and has already organized a number of international conferences which include International Seminar on India-China Relations, 60 Years of Cooperation in the year 2010. In fact, the keynote address was given by His Excellency Zhang Yang, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary, the Embassy of the People's Republic of China and India. International Seminar on Business and Investment Opportunities in Sri Lanka. Keynote address. Heads of BRICS countries are meeting this year for the 7th BRICS Summit at Russia from 8th through 9th July 2015 to take the discourses forward from the 6th BRICS Summit held last year at Brazil from July 14 to 16, 2014. The school thought it would be appropriate to organize an international seminar today to generate pointers and perspectives for discussion in the 7th BRICS Summit. I wish to place on record my sincere thanks for the kind support from the distinguished dignitaries from BRICS countries and others invited speakers to organize the conference today. I am particularly thankful to Exim Bank to have kindly agreed to sponsor this seminar and participate in the seminar. In its 6th BRICS Summit, the group signed a document to create the $100 billion new development bank and a reserve currency pool worth an additional $100 billion document on cooperation between BRICS export credit agencies and an agreement of cooperation on innovation were also signed. In my opinion, these initiatives are bound to strengthen the relations among BRICS countries and help each other in times of difficulties. At present, Brazil is in its worst mess since 1990s. Brazil is not the only member of the BRICS to be in trouble. Russia's economy has been battered by war, sanctions, and dependence on oil. For all its problems, Brazil is not in as big a mess as Russia. I am sure that the international seminar today would give thoughtful consideration to these issues as well and give pointers for the 4th collaborative research. Further tie-ups for similar purposes are in progress with Hanji University, Groningen, the Netherlands, and Beijing Normal University, Beijing, China. Recently, the school has become a member of Association to Advanced Collegiate School of Business International USA. In collaboration with IBM, GSIB is offering business analytics. The school is consistently ranked as second best school in India, specializing in I welcome all of you once again to this one-day international seminar and look forward to your contributions that will provide
with high-level representatives of BRICS nations. the policies that are going to be initiated may lead to the discussion of the 7th BRICS meeting scheduled in July. I heartily welcome Sri Hariharan Subramanian Viswanathan, former Ambassador and Distinguished Fellow, Center for International Relations, Observer Research Foundation, New Delhi.